Hi Scorpio! Welcome back sa ating Tagalog reading channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So gagawin natin ng yung monthly Tagalog reading for the month of September all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Ang timestamp ng ating reading ay 4:45 PM September 30, 2024 Scorpio. Alright? So sa mga new viewers po natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog reading channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ng inyong mga monthly Tagalog readings. And as you know, ito ay isang collective reading, so maaaring mag-resonate sa certain collective lamang. At kung di kayo makaresonate dito, it only means na ang reading ay hindi para sa inyo. And who knows, I might tap into your energy next time. So, Scorpio, shuffle ko lang muna ang mga baraha again in front of the camera. And I will see you guys on few seconds, okay? Hi again, Scorpio. So, simulan na natin ang inyong Tagalog reading for the month of September all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Ang current timestamp ay 4:47 PM September 30, 2024. Are you ready? Alright? Position 1. Position 2. Pangatlo. Pang-apat. Laging lumalabas to. Pang-5. Pang-6 at pang-7. So, parang majority ng zodiac signs, no? Ang collective energies that itong pang-4, no? So, let's see. Position 1, release position. When I'm tuned in to the energy of abundance, I become abundant. Okay? So, kailangan ma-feel mo at maramdaman mong ikaw ay may kasaganahan para pumasok ang kasaganahan. Does that make sense? Ibig sabihin yun, law of attraction. Kung feeling natin tayo ay purito, yan ang mamamanifest natin, guys. Kung feeling natin na naghihirap tayo sa pera, yan ang mamamanifest mo. Pero kung ikaw ay gumagawa ng paraan para maka-attract ng prosperity, papasok sa'yo yan. So, kung gumagawa ka ng mga ritual, naglalagay ka ng mga crystals, no? Nasa feng shui ka, no? Like, kunwari, dito sa north, kailangan daw mga blue crystals, no? Kasi sa the next 20 years, guys, mabibigat ang pasok ng pera daw kasi walang water element. Sabi dun sa pinagbibilang ko ng crystal. So, sa north daw ng bahay nyo, o the position mo sa kwarto, this is my north, maglagay ka ng mga blue crystals. Kasi blue represents water, clarity, so makakatulong sa paggawa mo ng mga decision making when it comes to money. That could also communication, no? Kung may throat chakra blockage tayo, nahirapan tayo makipag-communicate kasi water is flow, no? Magpo-flow lahat yan. So, nasa north mo, ayan. Meron ako ditong blue aventurine, blue apatite, and hakmanite. No? Ang hakmanite ko is bluish green. Nandyan din ang lapis lazuli for wisdom. Nandyan din ang blue fluorite. Okay, so yun is one example, no? So, when I'm tuning to the energy of abundance, no? I become abundant, no? So, yun lang naman. It's one example dito. So, hindi ko alam what works for you, Scorpio, but, I mean, we'll see, diba? I don't know what works for you, Scorpio, but, no, to each his or her own, diba? Sa position 2 naman, ito yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy, no? My true safety lies in my capacity to align with the love of the universe. So, try to stay in alignment sa love frequency, which is ang 528 Hz. Paano ka magiging stay in alignment sa love frequency? Hindi mo naman kailangan ma-in love, no? Kung gusto mong single ka. Do things that you love. Be with your family. Diba, merong mga masasaya na kahit single, masaya sila. Iyon, nasa sila, vibrational alignment sila ng love frequency kasi hindi nila kailangan ng ibang tao to complete them, to make or to feel love kasi gumagawa sila ng sarili ng way to feel love, no, around them. Maybe ang dami nilang kaibigan, masaya ang family nila, okay, minamahal nila yung sarili nila. Yun ang importante, at maganda ang self-concept nila sa sarili nila, no? Hindi nila dinadown yung sarili nila kasi the first thing that you need to love is yourself. Iba to sa energy ng pagiging selfish. Yung self-care ba? No? You take care of your health, you eat healthy, yon. So, that's loving yourself itself is naka-tune in ka sa love frequency mo. Alright? Makaka-attract ka. Pag nandun ka sa tamang frequency, same ng frequency mo, makaka-attract ka ng soulmate or partner or mga connections, friendship, and family member na ka-vibrational alignment mo. Alright? Now, sa third position naman, Scorpio, no, ang manifestation, ang sabi, I am kind and loving toward others while creating clear boundaries that protect my good feeling emotions. So, protektahan mo ang iyong emotion. Huwag tayo emotional damage or emotional abuse sa ibang tao or verbal abuse, okay? It doesn't have to be true. Just because sinabi nila yon or nasaktan ka, it doesn't have to be your reality. Okay, so, kasi maaaring maka-apekto yan sa manifestation mo kung yan ang magiging dominant feeling in thoughts mo, yung mga sinasabi nilang hindi maganda or na-inflict sa yung hindi magagandang feelings, do not dwell too much on it kasi makaka-apekto yan sa manifestation mo dito sa position 3. So, create clear boundaries, no, na hindi ka masasaktan, hindi ka masyadong maapektuhan. Okay? Kasi pag yan ang naging dominant, no, naniwala ka sa sinabi nila, magiging truth mo yan. And that truth, maaaring maging blockage sa mga gusto mong mangyari sa'yo. So, do not allow them na ma-inflict yan. So, protect yourself, no. Maybe, do a ritual, mag-cleansing ka, mag-wear ka ng mga protection bracelet. Like, ako wala akong suot ngayon. Ang suot ko is Beautiful Aura bracelet, no. Or black obsidian, kung ayaw mo ng black, yun, Beautiful Aura bracelet to, rose quartz, and I think garnet to it's garnet, no? So, para mag-exude ako ng Beautiful Aura. Ganun siya. So, you know, create ways para ma-protectionan. Basically, yung ano mo, yung feelings mo, and yung mga iniisip mo. Kasi some people inflict something sa'yo na i-evil eye tayo, na curse tayo, na i-evil eye nila tayo, and then eventually may tendency na baka tanggapin mo yun as truth. These are not your truth. Remember that. Okay? Makaka-apekto yun sa manifestation mo, Scorpio, so be careful. Okay? Now, sa fourth position, the universe has big plans for you and it's time to claim them. Ito yung external energy. Napakaganda ng external energy mo kasi the universe is helping you para makamit yung mga bagay na gusto mo. As simple as that. So, ang kailangan mo lang is huwag ka mag-worry, huwag ka mag-doubt, huwag mo nang questionin. I-claim mo na lang as if it's a wish fulfilled or a state desired na nagkatotoo na. Okay, huwag ka na magantay ng movement. Kasi magka-quantum jumping ka dyan. Mangyayari yan. The stars will align for you and then bam, nandyan na sa harapan mo. Parang miracle siya. So, you just need to believe and claim it. Okay, be delusional, ganun na lang. Minsan ang hirap magpaka-delusional, pero tinatry ko pa rin, no. Ang key dyan is nagme-mental diet ako. Umiiwas ako sa kanigahan, no. Para in alignment ako sa gusto kong mangyari. Yun lang muna ang ginagawa ko. So, wala mo ng social media. That's how you do it. Okay? Kung medyo nahihirapan tayo. Okay. Now, sa fifth position, yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo is true manifestation. Ang sabi dito, true manifestations, parang ikaw lang nakakuha ng ganitong baraha, are powered by service and love. So, ang true manifestation is may act of service. No? So, may kawang gawa. Hindi lang pwedeng take tayo ng take sa universe, sa Panginoon, hindi tayo nag-give back. So, these are act of service. So, paano may act of service mo? I don't know. Paano ka mag-serve? Serve yourself, serve your family, your community, other people, those who are in need. That is true manifestation. Pag binigay sa'yo, learn to give back. No? Yung whatever it is na nakuha natin. No? Kasi it's give and receive. No? Give and receive. Hindi naman necessarily na, okay, naka-acquire ka ng bahay, ibibigay mo yung bahay. No, it's not like that. Kung may tanggap na blessings tayo, learn to parang magbigay din tayo. Be a blessing to others. That's the point. And then, end of love. Okay, yung sabi dito. Powered by service and love. So, yung manifestation mo has to come from out of good intention, no? Doon sa magandang state. Kung nasaan ka. Magandang feeling. Ginawa mo to or ninais mo to kasi ang ganda ng intention. Pure yung intention, yung love nandoon. Let's say gusto mong ma-manifest yung specific person mo na bumalik because you love him. And you have to make sure na walang nasasaktan o naapakan tao. That's one example of powered by service and love. No, it's always parang wala tayong inaapakan o inaagrabyadong sitwasyon at tao. It's a good thing kasi naniniwala tayo na may karma na balik lahat ng mga ginagawa natin. Okay? Good or bad. So, true manifestation are powered by service and love. Now, sa new beginning mo naman, Scorpio, ang sabi, Each time I choose to tune in to spirit, guidance of the highest truth shows up for me. So, it's more about connecting sa iyong spirituality lately, okay? Ang mga new beginnings mo, kasi mas makakakuha ka doon ng gabay doon. Could be also mga tao na mas matalino, mas experience sa'yo sa isang sitwasyon or connection or bagay na maaari nating may mapulutan tayong aral or kapakipakinabang na mga idea or technique or learnings mula sa kanila kung paano natin maayos ang isang sitwasyon o makakapagsimulang muli. So, sinasabi dito, be open sa mga spirit guidance, no? So, be it inner work mo yan, inner learning, or manggagaling sa ibang tao yung mga spiritual guidance na yan, like nanonood ka ng tarot reading, or nanonood ka ng mga YouTube vloggers, mga manifestation coaches. It's okay, di ba? Kasi, you will benefit dito. Yung highest truth daw will show up for you sa mga new beginnings mo. Okay? Now, at the center, kailangan mo matutunan, instead of worrying about the future, I know all is well when I'm aligned in the moment. So, the only thing that matters, Scorpio, tandaan nyo, is the present time. Yung past, tapos na talaga yan. Yung future, i-create mo pa lang. So, the only thing that matters is the present. Kasi hindi mo naman palang i-redo yung past. Pero there's always a way to create your future. Kasi future is just an illusion. What we have is present time. Every day nagkikreate tayo ng future, nagkikreate tayo ng bagong reality natin. And that becomes our present again. And then magkikreate ka na naman uli ng reality mo. Yun na naman magiging present mo. So parang I don't believe in there's fixed future. Pwede kang mag-quantum jump or mag-multiverse kung ano mang klaseng sitwasyon ang gusto mo. Multiverse, that for example, sa multiverse A, magkagalit kayo ng SP mo, ng person mo. Sa multiverse B, mag-asawa kayo ng specific person mo. So, there is no such thing as future. It's about parang, you're shifting. Papalitan mo yung frequency mo. Yun, para mapunta ka sa reality na gusto mo. Okay, so Scorpio, sana nag-resonate kayo sa reading na to, no? And, natapos yung reading at 4:58 p.m., September 30, 2024. And kung di kayo mag-resonate dito, Scorpio, I will tap into your energy next time. Take care. God bless, Scorpio, and mahal ko kayo. Bye!